ये पहन के आई है तुम साइड.
It's maybe 6-7 years old or above.
He's saying बांध दो.
Ready? Steady. Get ready and come fast.
These are. So guys, we woke up late because Youngji slept very late yesterday. He had too much fun. And then as soon as I woke up, my mom was like, take bath and get ready. Because there is something that you do today, some sort of fast and puja that we do for kids today. Apparently the fast is only till 9 o'clock or 11 o'clock. So 9 o'clock time uthenge. So I'm trying some new hairstyle because when I'm in a hurry, I'm just like usually always just, I either make a jura or I wash my hair and then leave them open. I saw this hairstyle on YouTube, on some YouTube video by this lady called Shraddha Gurung. So I thought, let me try if I can make it. It's not that bad, I think. Yesterday I thought I'll wear sari or something, but because time nahi hai, I just quickly wore my kurta, and now I'll just show you my bare minimum makeup. I don't know how to do makeup, by the way. Bindi already laga rahi hai because I've tried it so many times. So I do a very bare minimum makeup which I like, which is something that I can do. But I do like really admire people who do really good makeup. Like I follow a lot of makeup artists also, like Kaushal. I find Kaushal really pretty. And I think I'll just wear I have these big chunky silver earrings. That's all I have right now. So this is it. For sure my mom is going to be like, I thought you were going to wear sari. Or that's, because I told her yesterday. And she'll be so disappointed with what I wore and come. But I'm like that, yeah. मुझसे effort नहीं होता इतना. Unless it's Diwali. वो भी since last 2 years I've started making that much effort. I went to a boarding school, yeah. Every Diwali and Holi, everything was spent over there. So we were never interested in really dressing up. We were more interested in just burning the crackers or playing with the colors or कीचड़. सूटी तो पहना है.
ये की चुन्नी पहन ले.
किसके साथ?
नहीं रखी है वो.
किसी के ऊपर पहन लूँ?
वो एक सूट मैंने निकाला पटियाला फुलकारी का दुपट्टा.
See, I told you. She'll be like, ये पहन के आई है तुम. So guys, when I was in college, abhi I hardly wear any earrings. As you can see, the whole ear is empty. But when I was in college, I have both my I have 2 holes in my ears, both sides. But I actually have 5 over here. I got this done in 12th grade, not even college, actually, in high school itself. I even got a piercing here, and I immediately, it didn't last, of course. This was not the right place, and I have a mark over here which I'll tell everyone is a birthmark, but it's not. I feel like even for Young Jay, that would be my thing. You try everything that you want to try, and if it doesn't go the right way, you'll know that it didn't go the right way. Only by doing you really learn things. And frankly, my parents knew about all of this and they had no problem. For them also, I think it was more about experience it. If you don't like it, remove it. And if it goes wrong also, you learn from it. It's not the end of the world. It's really not the end of the world. So I think that's the most important thing to remember. We are making aate ka halwa. Water. These are the dry fruits.
सरकार की बेटी
मैं ही सुन लेती हूँ।
दिवाली पर अपने ससुराल से मायके आई।
So guys, puja is done. I've changed and I'm very hungry, but I just want to make our bed and then go. Young just coming for breakfast. Oh, breakfast. Where do you want to go and eat? It was breakfast, guys. Pehले he had halwa and now this is what he's having with his coffee.
लगाना शुरू करो. नंबर डाल रखा है.
Oh.
Like 1 year ना, 1 year मैच करके आप ये तो
You have to make a plane. Show front side once. Progressing. I can see it's relaxing you a bit.
अच्छा.
मानो इसको बनाने में लेगो जितना दिमाग लगा या उससे कम?
हाँ?
लेगो जितना दिमाग लगा या उससे कम?
उससे ज़्यादा.
उससे ज़्यादा दिमाग लगा है लेगो से.
Lego is easier.
And guys, this is like 50 rupees. And Lego is way like maybe 10-15 times more
इसमें लिखा है
expensive.
6-7 years old क्या हुआ?
Yeah, this one.
इतना खा रहा है तो पता नहीं 6-7 years कैसे बनाएंगे. He dance. Bunny dance.
ये तो कोई न्यू सॉन्ग है.
मैंने सुना है. Listen. Position is amazing. Between the daddy mommy's legs, you're just being more cozy. Huh? Sleeping. 양재. Look, you're sweating. 양재. अच्छा, you're acting. You're not sleeping. 양재. 이거 바라라 카메라.
What's Yangi, what are you doing? Marching. Dramatic Youngjae. Put on your hat.
도리.
Doi.
Jump. 어이야. 오야.
I got that. No, I got that. खुल गया. बांध दो. He's saying. खुल गया था. He's saying बांध दो. Very sweaty. Usually you don't do these things with him, na? But what do you do when he himself says, है ना? मजे. गुदगुदी भी करा लो. कार्टून भी देख ले और गाना भी गा ले.
Ready, steady, go.
बाबा देखना उसी पोजीशन में उड़िया सॉक्स निकालने के चक्कर में.
Ready, steady. 성공했네.
안 되지, 영지. हमसे 안 되지 तो मुझे मुंह बनाना अच्छा. Youngji, what are you doing? Swing. अब एनिमल प्लेनेट पे नजर पे. वो मार नहीं रहा उसको? लायन, वाई? बच्चे को नहीं मारा.
नहीं मारते ये.
हाँ, ये हमने पहले भी एक बार देखा था. So cute.
टोपी पहनना मेरी.
कितना क्यूट लग रहा है. ग्रे पहना ना आज. ओह रिकी.
मालूम है कि नहीं टोपी है देख. कभी लेके आया इसमें.
फिर पहन ली. इसको फिट भी आ रही है पता है.
미ሽ카 나도 올라래. 하이 형제. 예.
Youngju is about to sleep now. He's very sleepy. You can see he's on his cartoon. We are just trying to extend it because I wanted to let Shah. Anyways, we are going to sleep now. Yeah, beta. He's looking. He's like, what are you doing? Just make me sleep. Anyhow, thanks for watching. And if you're enjoying our videos, guys, please subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up. If you enjoyed today's vlog, please do. And good night and have a great day tomorrow if you're watching late at night, or if you are just watching during the day, have a great day. Bye bye. Good night.